Hi, it's Chris Matlashewski coming to you across the street from our newest listing at 1717 60th Street Southeast. We're at Elliston Park here. This is where the magic happens. This is the summertime International Fireworks Festival. People take buses and cabs. There's shortage of parking every night. This place is jam-packed. But guess what? You've got VIP at the Penthouse top floor, right off your balcony. Invite your friends over, have your family over, just enjoy some magnificent lighting of the sky like you've never seen before. What else does Elliston Park offer? Expansive, waterway park system. For your dogs, there's also a nice big playground here. Awesome. I mean, look at the day today. How do you beat it? And just a short jaunt down, you've got International Avenue. If you want great Vietnamese international flair, you want to get your nails done, you can do it. Quick access to downtown, less than 20 minutes. How good is that? For more information on this listing, give us a text. 403-809-3523. As always, if you want to have your property evaluated, send us online. ViewCalgaryHousesForSale.com for a complimentary online evaluation. Till then, enjoy the rest of the week and enjoy the great weather. Cheers.